Hey there, my friends. How are you doing? Ashley Bright, the message fixer here. And today I'm just wrapping up a beautiful morning run. It's not too hot. The sun is up. It's gorgeous. And I don't know what you like to do when you're out running or you're exercising, but for me, I am creating content. Now, how am I creating content, you might ask? Well, let me just tell you, a lot of my clients, and I'm sure many of you out there, have trouble creating content for your social media, or maybe for your blog, or for your video channel, whatever that is. I often hear this from people: I don't have time, I don't know what to talk about, I'm not sure, yada, yada, yada. And all these little barriers get in the way. And so I'm gonna let you in on a little technique that I use in order to create content. Okay, when I'm out running, that is when my head is clear, ideas are coming to me just rapid fire. Okay, about all sorts of things: client challenges, my challenges, personal challenges, growth opportunities, the future, etc., etc. And so rather than stumbling around trying to carry a pen and a pencil and a notebook, or trying to remember these things for when I get back from my run, I just grab my phone and I have, a very simple audio to text translation going on, and I just hit record and start talking. And I tell you, the ideas and the content just flows. Now, is it perfect? No. But because I'm capturing it all and it's being turned into text, now I have a document for when I get back to my desk. I have basically the majority of what I want to say. It's just a matter of polishing the edges and dotting a few things, crossing a few T's. So try that out. I think you'll find that it's a tremendous way to get over that barrier that we often have, which is overanalyzing. First of all, generating the ideas, and then overanalyzing them, and then ultimately not doing anything with them. So give that a try. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. And if you have any questions, let me know. And as always, if you need help, I would love to help you share your message and have more impact in the world. All right, my friends, cheers.